How you doing, car fans? We're here at Mecum in Kissimmee, Florida. It's a 9-day event, unlike any other. There's over 3,200 cars right now on the ground. We brought down 20 cars of ours to sell. We're about 50-50 right now. We've still got the rest of the day to go. It's on Sunday. There is actually 2 Sundays to this Mecum auction. So we're at the first Sunday, and we've gathered up our boys and toys, and let's show you what we got here for sale today. The process is, we've got the car lined up. This is a pre-stage line. The auction's just ahead. The car's brought out here so that people can preview the cars. The lot 106.1, it gives you the description, it tells you it's a 303 automatic, gives you the VIN number, and it gives you a host of the features that we outlined on the car. And this car just set the world on fire. This was the top of the line Oldsmobile, and if you were driving one of these, you were somebody. This ain't your father's Oldsmobile.
I'm gonna buy me something to drive home.
You can buy our Oldsmobile.
That's a nice old thing. What you got to get out of it?
40s.
40s, yeah. Well, I think I can do it. They're a bit soft today, ain't they?
Yeah, a lot of cheap cars.
Yeah, yeah.
So I don't know if there's somebody here for that today, but there will be through the week.
There will be somewhere. That's a nice old collectible.
Showtime. Well, we have one of the more expensive cars going in today. See what happens. It's a stellar car, so.
106.1 at 1950 Oldsmobile 98 Deluxe Club Sedan. That's the 303 Rocket V8 Hydromatic automatic transmission. The original title and purchase order is included. A comprehensive restoration on a 50 Olds 98 Deluxe.
That was pretty light crowd, but hey, you never know. You just need one guy.
Having been 30, get it on 30, 50, 30, get it on 30, get it on 35. Having been 30, bid 5. Having been 30, bid 35. Having been 35, 32, 35. 44,000 are you all done? 44,000, 43, 44,000, what? 44,000.
Okay.
Somebody say yes to me. Close it. 43,000. Bid goes on.
Lot 107.
50.
6-liter V8 engine, all-wheel drive, sunroof, navigation, custom wheels.
Well, we knew that would be a tough sale. Right now we've got this 65 Daytona coupe. It's a righteous car. It's a fresh build. It's got a 351 Windsor in it, and it's the Ferrari killer, right? So it's coming up next on the block. Take a look at it. It's gorgeous. Really, it's a turnkey car. Nice interior. Nardi style wooden wheel. Finished out interior. And it's free of all the paint and regalia you normally see on these cars. So I think it should do well. We're going to find out. Check it out. Engine compartment is clean and tidy. Set up with an MSD box. Really nice and clean underneath the hood. It does have a heater, all the creature comforts you need. Coiled over front suspension. Really, you can't fault the car. It was well done, and things are going well here at Mecum. They're doing about 300, 350 cars a day for 9 days straight. So stay tuned. You fit in there, buddy? Ready for that? Are you 16? Are you 16 yet? No, getting close though, huh? Yeah, it's automatic. He's rolling up now, getting in line for the block. So she's rolling up onto the block. Guys push it in from here. It'll get a quick detail. Get it auction ready. Try our luck.
One more time. 32.5. Peter Van Dyke 92. Now 5. 10.5. Now 11. Peter Van Dyke 10.5. 11. Peter Van Dyke 10.5. Now 11. Now 5. Peter Van Dyke 11.
We're at 60. I don't know. Hopefully it does breaks out, but I'd like to see close to 50.
Hold on, 35. Plan 1 is a 1965 Factory 5 Shelby Daytona Coupe replica. Has a 351 Windsor, aluminum heads, automatic transmission, one owner since new, purchased from Factory 5. Has independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, and a real one would cost more than $7 million. Take your hands up. 100 pounds about it now. 50,000, another get pound on the mountain, 50,000, another get pound, 35, 37. 30 pounds, excuse me. 37 pounds, another down, 35, 37, 46,000, 45, 46,000. 45 pounds, another down, 6,000, another Cobra, Daytona, replica. 45, 6. 6,000, another whole hand, all done. 45 pounds, another down, 6,000, another hand, 45 pounds.
Swing and a miss.
55. Then goes on.
All right, our next at bat, this 1963 New Yorker four-door hardtop wagon. This thing is awesome. It's got a Dick Landy 426 cross ram motor in it, and the thing was built for power tour. It is just built to drive. This thing is really, really rad. It's got power steering, power brakes, disc brakes. It's been set up to be driven. It's in sinister black, and again, you just don't see many four-door hardtops, particularly in a wagon. Check it out. Nice and open. Clean interior. Now, it's an original interior, so is it perfect? No, it's not perfect. MotoExotica slogan, get out and drive. That's what this thing is made to do. Wraparound window in the back, drops down. This is the original SUV, okay? Drop down the rear seat. You can put whatever you want in this thing. This thing's longer than any SUV made today. It's got a nice set of original Boyd Coddington wheels on it. Boyd's gone, you don't see him anymore. So this is our next at bat here. We're hoping for a home run. Stay tuned. We got 32. I'd like to see make this one make money, so upper 30s. Cut. Hope breaks out. Break him out.
K180.1 will be a 1963 Chrysler New Yorker wagon resto model. 426 cubic inch max wedge V8 engine from Dick Landy Racing Engines. One of only 952-seat New Yorker wagons made in 1963, the rarest New York model that year.
I can get it down 30, get it down 32. I get it down to 2, get it down 30, get it down 2, 2, 30 big, get it down to 2, get it down 2 here. 30,000 a bid, asking 32 anywhere.
That don't work as a 33.
Shouldn't. What do you say? Solid?
35,000.
He don't even know.
That's real. 35. So that blew your grand out of the one though. That's $2 grand later.
Reserve is off.
Reserve is off. 36,000 here. I'm going to bid 35, getting it outset. I'm going to bid 35, 36 down. Reserve is off. 36,000, 35, 36. Yes or no, George? 36,000, 35, 36. Going once. 37.
Not exactly a breakout, but at least not taking the short.
Right? 1,000.
There you go.
You're actually going to make some money on this.
Come on, Nos.
Go, baby, go.
Hello.
Go, baby.
36.
There you go.
36, 5, and a bit 7. How do you get it down 30, George? Do something for 37. 36, 5, 7, going once. 37, twice. So, 36, 5, 10.
Thanks, guys.
Always.
Factory code.
That's a hot rod though, there. So all in all, we had a really successful show here at Mecum in Florida. We brought 20 cars down, we sold 13. That's more than half. We made money on some, we lost on others, and we broke even on others. It's all good. We've been going to Mecum auctions for 30 years. Kissimmee has blown up into arguably the largest classic car auction in the world. There's 3,200 cars here on the ground, so there is literally something for everyone. And all price points as well, I might add.
MotoExotica.com